Hello my dear students, how are you? I think you are so well by the grace of Allah. Today I am here your English teacher, Muhammad Salih, senior teacher of Dhaka Shiksha School and College, to take a class about English first paper. My dear students, today I like to discuss from English for today. In my last class I discussed about lesson 4 of Unit 7, but today I like to discuss Unit 7, lesson 6. So, my dear students, please open your English for today textbook. The page is 103. Here the lesson number 6, the chapters love for humanity. Here you can see the picture of a person. I think you are so well known about the picture. She is Mother Teresa, and she is known to us all. My dear students, let's start the text. In the beginning, we like to read out the text. The text is about Mother Teresa. So, from page number 103, I am reading the text. So, listen carefully. Mother Teresa was moved by the sight of the sick and dying on the streets of Kolkata. She founded a home for the dying destitute and named it Nirmal Hriday, meaning pure heart. She and her fellow nuns and brought the dying people of the streets of Kolkata to this home. They were lovingly looked after and cared for. Since then, many men, women, and children have been taken from the streets of Kolkata and carried to Nirmal Hriday. These unloved and uncared for people get an opportunity to die in an environment of kindness and love. In their last hours, they get human and divine love and can feel they are also children of God. The missionaries of charity try to find jobs for those who survive, or send them to homes where they can live happily for some more years in a caring environment. Regarding commitment to family, Mother Teresa said, maybe in our own family we have somebody who is feeling lonely, who is feeling sick, who is feeling worried. Are you there? Are you willing to give until it hurts in order to be with our families? Our diet, we put our interest first. We must remember that love begins at home, and we must also remember that future of humanity passes through the family. This was the first para, my dear students. Now I am in the second para, or the middle para. There are 3 paras in the text. Mother Teresa's work has been recognized throughout the world, and she received a number of awards. This include the Pope John 23rd Peace Prize 1971, the Nehru Prize for Promotion of International Peace and Understanding 1972, the Belgian Prize 1978, the Nobel Peace Prize 1979, and the Bharat Ratna in 1980. Dear students, I am in third para, the last para. Mother Teresa died at the age of 87 on 5 September 1997. The world salutes her for her love and compassion for humanity. She has taught us how to extend our hand towards those who need our love and support, irrespective of creed, caste, and religion. The picture of Mother Teresa draped in a white and blue bordered sari with a wrinkled face, ever surprised, and a saintly smile lives on in our mind. Dear students, this was the text. Now we'll discuss about some new words of the text. So please listen to me. What are the meaning or the synonyms of the new words of the text? My dear students, please listen to me. Here you can see destitute. Destitute is a word. It is in the first para, means extremely poor. Extremely poor. Saintly. Saintly means pious. Then opportunity, scope. Divine, heavenly. Survive, exist. Regarding, concerning. Commitment, promise. Humanity, philanthropy. Extent, extent means provide. Irrespective, regardless. Drape, covered. Wrinkled, lined. Dear students, these are the new words of the text, and you have to know the meanings or the synonyms of these type of words for MCQ question number 1, MCQ multiple choice question. My dear students, now there are some sentences in the text, page number 103, number C. You can see, now say whether the following statements are true or false. If false, give the correct information. Mother Teresa was moved to see the diseases that spread in the streets of Kolkata. Actually, the sentence false, and you have to know the correct answer from the text. She opened a home for the orphans. I think this sentence also false, and you have to find out the correct answer from the passage. She and her group brought in the dying people from the streets of Kolkata. Actually, the sentence is true. Number 4, Nirmalida was founded so that the poor people who are dying can get love and care before death. The sentence is true. Mother Teresa said that humanity passes through charitable organizations. The sentence is false. You have to find out the correct sentence and you have to write the correct answer in the exam. Number 6. We have learned from Mother Teresa how to come forward to help only those who belong to a special caste. Actually, false. The sentence is false. Mother Teresa did everything for all kinds of people. The students, here there are some questions you have to practice for the exam. Here, why do you think Mother Teresa owns so many hours? You have to start the question answers. You have to start the answers from the questions. Students, here you have to write Mother Teresa owns so many hours. Mother Teresa owns so many hours because of her love for humanity. Actually, you can write in another sense, but you have to start the answer from the question. What does Nirmal Hriday stand for? You have to start the answer. Nirmal Hriday stands for. Here you have to write the answer. Nirmal Hriday stands for pure heart, you know. Here, question number 3. Why do you think the home is named Nirmal Hriday? Here, you have to start the answer. I think, or we think, the home is named Nirmal Hriday because. Here, after because you have to write the answer. You can write in your own way, or you can write in this way that people got treatment, care and help. In this way you can write. But you have to start the answer. The home is named Nirmal Hriday because. In this way you have to start. The students, question number 4. Why did Mother Teresa want the dying people to feel that they too deserve care and love? Here you have to start the answer in this way, that Mother Teresa wanted the dying people to feel that they too deserve care and love because Mother Teresa thought they are the children of God. Question number last. What are the things that we have learned from Mother Teresa? Actually, we have learned many things from Mother Teresa. Actually, she is a model. So, we can tell that we have learned Mother Teresa. We have learned Mother Teresa love for humanity, actually how to serve people, how to help the poor people, how to serve the destitute, and how to care the helpless people. Many things we have learned from Mother Teresa. My dear students, we have practiced, we have gone through some true and false and also some short questions. I like to advise you, you have to practice regularly because the passage Mother Teresa is very important for the exam. So I like to advise you, you have to practice, you have to read attentively and regularly. If you do so, you will do better. My dear students, thank you very much.